C.S. Lewis, in Mere Christianity, makes this statement. I quote it quite a bit, but I think it's worthy of repeating here. If we find within ourselves a desire that nothing in this world can satisfy, the most probable explanation is that we were made for another world. Don't people say things aren't the way they're supposed to be? Don't you say things aren't the way they're supposed to be? Isn't that how you feel when you get up every day and your hip aches and your knee doesn't bend? And you take your tablets to make sure your blood pressure stays low? And you take your tablets to make sure that, everything keeps functioning? That the world is not the way it's supposed to be. This is a broken world. But God's plan was not just heaven. God's plan was to mend this broken world. That's God's plan.